Managed services. It's the way of the future. It's a new way of handling IT issues, and we leverage it fully here at Paragon Tech. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Paragon Performance Plan, which is our top tier of managed services to keep your business up and running at full capacity. Now what we do is we are able to monitor your networks to ensure that we're able to take care of issues before you know. But how do we do that? We've gotten this question quite a bit, so it's only fitting that we describe a little bit more about it. So a typical day consists of our systems running in the background 24/7. We've got automated systems that run and monitor our networks. Here we've got one screen that shows an overview of a client. So this is a particular device, a desktop computer. You can see up here, we can see that the antivirus is fully up to date. Everything's running correctly and it got updated today. Good. Then we can see their network, we see their IP address, we see their net mask, router address, and these are indicators that everything is healthy on the network. Great. All of the monitors are running at 100% success. So these are things such as temperature, fan speed, processor utilization, and hard drive capacity. These things are all checking, they're good. If we had something that was a little bit out of spec, we would have an alert that would automatically get pushed to our engineers and we'd be on it. We've got storage capacity here. This just shows how much space is being used up on the hard drive. We've got CPU processes, and we've also got tickets. Now what tickets are these are tickets that are created by the client or created automatically by our system that are going to alert us to any potential issues that we should look at before they become a bigger issue. And at the bottom here, we've got what operating system your computer is running, what power profile it's on, and also the hardware such as your manufacturer of your computer, your CPU, your memory, and your video card. Then we've got a list of software that your computer uses. Now we have a way to, and as you'll see, it's updating there. So that's what it does. We get that update. It happens every minute. So every day, every minute, our system will update and we'll be on top of everything in your environment. So with our software tab there, we have a list of every available software on your computer. And these are things that are installed. Now we can tell if there's anything that's uninstalled or an application that is blacklisted, which is something that we specifically choose that we don't want installed at a particular client office. So this is obviously very helpful because we can keep tabs on what applications are installed, as most antivirus software won't pick up on that. So this is something where we have a leg up on the competition. A lot of malware is actually installed as a program executable. So us being able to see what changes are occurring to the software is huge. Now, what we also offer as part of our Paragon Performance Plan is backup. Now we do local backup and backup to the cloud. Now the advantage of this is we create redundancy. And what redundancy is it's the ability for us to have a backup in two locations. So if you were to have any type of power failure, flood, or any natural disaster at your office, we've got you covered because we've got your data also in an encrypted database in the cloud. Now here, what we've got is an overview of the backup status. We can see a log here. You can see that we're also scanning for ransomware. Every time we perform a backup, we're scanning for ransomware, which is the new threat, and it's causing very detrimental impact on the office environment. If you get ransomware and you don't have a proper backup system that is able to detect it, you're going to be backing up the ransomware, and it's going to lock the files, which is not fun for anyone. So what we do is we make sure that we scan for ransomware every time we perform a backup. We're performing backups every minute of the day. So that's how we were able to make sure that we keep your environment up and running at full capacity. And that's how the Paragon Performance Plan works. Now I know I just threw a ton of technical information at you, and it can be mind-boggling sometimes. But we encourage you to reach out to us, and we'll definitely take the time to explain fully exactly how the Paragon Performance Plan can benefit you and your company and help you reclaim those lost hours. We definitely want to make sure that you can worry about the things that matter to you and your business and not the IT issues. Because to be honest, even with that high-level overview, that's just scratching the surface as far as what's all involved in taking care of you and making sure you can run at 100% efficiency. Again, I'm Jason McAllister, and let us restore your peace of mind today.